See Incognito History in Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser, open your Chrome browser, tap on this three dot and then go to new incognito tab. Now after you have gone incognito, what you will have to do is simply search for Chrome and then go to Chrome URLs. Now scroll down and then search for Chrome history. Go over here and all the history while you have gone or saved when you are in incognito will appear over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.